Hello and welcome to this presentation of Fastboot QNX on 5-core AM335X Rapid Development Kit from Phytech, built using Cortex A8 ARM chip called AM3359 from Texas Instruments. Now I am going to zoom on the screen to show the booting process. You can see the screen now. I am going to power on and count. Power on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see the QNX has booted in 5 seconds. 3 seconds were lost in U-boot. 3 seconds are defined as U-boot delay time. So after 3 seconds, U-boot is going to start the QNX kernel. So eventually, the QNX system is booted within 2 seconds. Within this time, it has not only loaded the shell but also the drivers like network, SD card, SPI, CAN, audio, etc. For more information, please contact us at info@symmetry.com.au. Thank you for watching this video.